Alright, so I've got this sandbar area on one side of my lake where a culvert comes through, and the water's low enough now to where you can actually see where that sandbar is. Normally it's covered with a foot and a half of water. And previously I'd gone over there and I'd dug out some of that sandbar, and you can see that there's a pile of raw dirt there that's by the lake, and it's been a few days. That's dried up a little bit, and so I was hoping that it would kind of act as a buffer to keep me from going into the lake too far, and I'd get over there and be able to reach out a little bit further and dig out some more of that sandbar area. I was kind of really worried about one side of the tractor getting in the mud and getting sideways on me, so I'm taking it pretty cautious getting into the lake there. And obviously, as my angle inclines, my backhoe was digging in, so I had to lift that up to finish backing in. I put the outriggers out, and I put my front bucket low to the ground again because I was worried about one tire hitting a soft spot and going sideways, and so I wanted to have as many flat horizontal things out close to the ground as I could. And we finally get back in there, and the worst thing is that the angle on that, getting on and off the tractor and trying to get into the back seat to operate the backhoe, was a little bit of a challenge for me. But fortunately, the tractor stayed level side to side, and I was able to reach out there a little bit further and dig some more of that sandbar out and make it deep, or a little bit deeper, at least a couple, 2 or 3 feet there next to the bank. That might create an area where in the future you can fish there and get some maybe some bluegill schooling in there or something, versus just that sandbar, which doesn't do me a whole lot of good. So at any rate, and then the other thing I was worried about was just being able to get the tractor back up over that hump, because again, you know, there by the lake it was kind of soft, and fortunately we haven't had a whole lot of rain, which contributes to the fact that the lake is down a foot and a half, which is letting me be able to see the sandbar. But so it didn't have much of any problem getting back out. I don't know if I'd want to try this without that pile of previously dug up dirt sitting there to kind of act as a bumper, keep me from going in the lake. But seemed to work out okay. Unfortunately, I got some rain coming. Might have to get the power washer out, get some of that mud out of there. This is where all you internet trolls get to tell me about how bad I am on using my tractor.